Hey traders, let's break down a powerful short entry setup using pure price action, no indicators needed. On the 4-hour chart, we've been seeing higher highs and higher lows, a clear uptrend. But here's the question. Where will this structure break? And how can we catch the reversal for a short entry? Since the market already made a massive upward move, catching the reversal here could give us a high-risk teacher to reward short trade. So let's mark it up. First, we draw a trend line connecting the higher lows from the first low to the most recent one. Next, draw another trend line across the higher highs. Now look closely. The price just broke below the lower trend line. That's our signal. The bullish structure is broken. The trend is shifting. So how do we take the short trade? We wait for the candle to fully close below the trend line. That confirms the breakdown. Once it does, we enter the trade. Our stop loss goes just above the last higher high, protecting us in case the market pushes back up. For the take profit, we keep it simple. Aim for a target that's double the size of your stop loss. That gives us a solid 1 to 2 risk to reward setup. And just like that, the price moves in our favor and smashes the target. A clean trendline break on the 4-hour chart. Simple, effective, and powerful. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before making any decisions.